Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Icon box. So let's get into it and check it out. The Ipsy Icon box is their biggest box. This is it's the equivalent of the Boxy Luxe box that we used to get or the X box that we got from Ipsy for a while. They blended them and gave us the Icon box. We will have 8 full-size products. 3 of them we have chosen from selections that they gave us. I do the boost, so that will be in here too, because on the months that you get your Icon box, you don't get your Boxy Charm. This is a $58 box, but you will pay a $2, I think, shipping and handling fee. So it's a $60 box. Let's see what I've chosen. This is a November box, and for me, this came really late this season. When we open it up, oh yeah, I forgot it was Pat McGrath. I'm so excited. It's been so long since I made my choices that I'm going to get into my iPad. I have it here, so we'll have all the information that we need. I don't even remember what I chose. Pat McGrath. Oh, I hope I have something eyes in here. That is what it looks like on the front. And then when you open it up, they've kind of made it like a magazine. When you open it up on the inside, it tells you a little bit about some of the products that we have. It doesn't tell you about all of them, but it does tell you about some of them. Very cool. Just for the record, those are the other 2 pages that I haven't shown yet. Okay, we're gonna jump right in and we're gonna start with the items they chose for me. The first is the Aloe Glow System Super Fruit Moisturizing Body Lotion with Amla, Arnica, and Coconut Oil. It is 6.7 fluid ounces. Online, they call this Aloe Yoga Skincare. It has a $28 value, and it says this bright citrus and vanilla scented body lotion will transport your senses to a sunny paradise. Enriched with the power of Amla, nature's most potent antioxidant superberry, it illuminates and helps restore your skin, giving it a radiant glow. Formulated with arnica extract to help hydrate and help de-stress your muscles, nourishing argan oil, soothing aloe vera, and moisturizing coconut oil, your skin will be left looking and feeling more healthy, smooth, and irresistibly soft. There doesn't seem to be anything in it I can't use, so let's see what this smells like. Just get a little out while we have the lid off. Oh, it smells delicious. I like that a lot. Let's see how it absorbs. Test number 2. How does it absorb? I like tubes sitting around the house, things like this, next to like sinks and that kind of thing, so that when you wash your hands, you can throw some lotion on right away. It doesn't always have to be hand lotion. Oh, that smells really, really fresh and nice. Actually, this smells like it would be great for one of my girls. It's fresh and nice, but also it doesn't have that cloying scent that some lotions can have. It just still smells, I'm going to use the word youthful because I can't think of another word for it. Okay, that is the first thing they chose for me. Next we have, the box is open, Avant Proactive Mandelic Acid Restoring and Anti-Pollution Toner. Okay, that is what that looks like. It is Avant, but that is a basic bottle. We will read the ingredients in just a second. $92 value. True to Avant. Avant often has very high prices, but it has a $92 value. This is obviously full-sized. Everything will be full-sized in here. And it says dull and congested skin. Not if this toner has anything to say about it. Formulated with mandelic acid, wheat protein, and copper, it targets hyperpigmentation, helps minimize the look of pores, and aims to maintain the strength and balance of your skin. It gets to work removing every last bit of makeup and cleanser, and then finishes the job helping improve tone, control shine, and help minimize breakouts. This has lactic acid in it also, and I cannot use lactic acid, so I'm going to build this box back up and set this aside, and it can be passed along to somebody who can use it. Next out of the, oh, it's gonna fall. Hold on a second. Okay, next out of the box, I have a Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm, highlighting face and body balm. I think I got one of these one year in my shoot, I made that sound horrible. The surprise box that we get from Beautylish, Fukuborokuru. I'm going to quit saying it. I couldn't use it. I'm not even going to open this. It is sealed in plastic. This is in rose water. I hate to not show it to you guys, but I know I'm not going to like it. Last time it had almost like a Vaseline feel, and it stayed tacky. You put it on your skin and it made you glowy for sure, but it had tackiness to it, and there's no place in my life for that. So I will leave that put together and see if I can find it a lovely home. I could tell you though that it has a $22 value, and they say dull skin. Not if this glow giving balm has anything to say about it. Packed with hydrating and highlighting goodness, it's like a refreshing drink of water for your face and body. The lightweight formula effortlessly melts into your skin, leaving you with a rosy pink glass skin finish, whether you wear it with or without makeup. So, yeah. Okay, next out I have, what do I have? Oh, it's Pat McGrath. Matte Trans Elson. Oh, I bet it's a lippy. I have this. I want to get in it real bad, so let's just get in it. I think this is going to be a Pat McGrath lippy. I haven't, oh, it is. Oh, how beautiful is that going to be for the holidays? Oh, it's a blue red. Yay! Blue reds are perfect for me. Sometimes they have a real orange undertone. This one definitely has the blue undertone. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in Elson. $39 value, and it says, put everyone in a trance with this luxe lipstick. In just one swipe, I did 2 to achieve that, just for the record. In one swipe, your lips will be enveloped in an intensely saturated and lightweight veil of red color. This unique oil-infused powder in a bullet formula creates a soft focus effect, leaving your lips feeling supple and comfortable with legendary wear. Plus, it's multi-purpose. The creamy matte texture can be applied in different ways. Whether you want a maximum payoff, a blurred stain, or even a tint on your cheeks. I do not want my cheeks tinted that color. I wonder how it would do. Let's just get a little bit. I shouldn't have scoffed so quickly. See where I just took a little bit off that? Look at that gorgeous color. And it's not even a little bit, like I just talked about with the Danessa Myricks, left me tacky. This just, can you imagine if you could touch that with your cheeks and then do it with your lips when you're traveling, how much you could cut back? I love Pat McGrath. I'm gonna take that off because she does such a great job, I'm afraid. Yeah, even though I'm wiping it off, it left me, can you see right where it was here? It left me just a skosh stained, but I suspect it might have become permanent. Okay, and last out, what they chose for me is a Pat McGrath Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal Eden Eyeshadow Squad. Quad. Oh, it's so heavy and luxe feeling. Pat McGrath Labs, that is what it looks like. Did I show you the box? In case I didn't show you the box. Gorgeous, like all of her boxes are. I love it. I'm going to use this so much. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. Let's swatch them. They are so creamy. So I'll do our 2 shimmers first. That is what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this is what I would use in transition, this one here. And I would probably like this one at the corner for my darker color. That is so, so gorgeous. Those are the colors. Oh, I love that. I love that. I used to shy away from pinks because I'm so pink. Sometimes they make my skin, especially like my eyelids, they're just not always the best colors for me. Let's put them on here. But I don't care. They make me happy. So even if they're not perfect for around my eye, oh my gosh, around my eyes, I love them. And I love her formula. That's beautiful. Next up we have my choices. And the choices that you make are based on, they usually give you, I wish I could remember, 6 or 7, 8 choices. And you select from maybe 10. They give you some choices. And you choose from them what you want, what suits you best. And the first thing that I chose, I'm trying to get out of its bag, came in a little bag, is actually not makeup or skincare. They had some bobble bar earrings that I thought were super cute. And I thought if they weren't perfect for me, one of my girls would love them. And it's 2 pair of earrings. And one you put in from the front, and then this part comes from behind. How cute is that? And then this one is the chain that links from the front to the back. I just thought for Christmas, even for myself, I thought those would be so fun just to have around at Christmas time. I don't know, there's something about them that I thought was super fun. Paperwork says they have a $44 value. Just for the record, I would never spend $44 on this costume jewelry. I have bought bubble bar earrings and that kind of thing. They have cute ones at Target, but I wouldn't spend $44. It says the statement making set contains 2 earrings and they are both inspired by night skies. Accented with stars and moons, this duo is the perfect addition to any outfit. So this is a great way, like if you're like me and you would never spend $44 on costume jewelry, it's a great way to get some fun new earrings. Next out, I chose the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. That is what that looks like. I have always said I can't do this, and I don't do it well. I'm the first one to admit I can't blend colors. But I have gotten more comfortable on days where I'm not taping or if I'm not doing anything special. I'm just, running to the grocery store or I'm around here and I want to have makeup on. I have gotten more comfortable with just using one color. I do it on my lid and then up into my crease. And then with my Thrive, if you just saw my Thrive video where I did the Thrive Cosmetics, where I did the haul, I got one of these and the other end had a little tiny blending sponge on it. I've been using that and I like it a lot. Oh, I like this a lot. Would you like to see it? It is a very light color. And that's what I like to do if I'm not wearing, I mean, normally I do like 3 colors and I do smoky and I have that whole situation going on when I'm taping. But if I'm not, I just like a light color to take care of the discoloration on my lid that I then blend up just a skosh. This is really pretty. This is actually probably light enough, yeah, that you could use it in the corner of your eyes just for a little brightness. I am very happy with the choice, and it has a $32 value, and it says need a stunning eye look in a pinch. This shimmering champagne rose eyeshadow stick delivers effortless application, buildable color, and up to 12 hours of a long-lasting wear. You can easily smudge, blend, and line your eyes for an effortless look in just a few swipes. And that's exactly what I do. I put this on, I put on mascara. I have that, when I got my new foundation from Makeup Forever, they had it in a powder form too, and I just take a brush and I kind of hit my face with that to kill a little bit of the red. And that's what I do for a day's worth of makeup when I'm not really doing anything. My last choice, and then we have my boost, is the Drunk Elephant Silk Amino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. That's why I got it. I thought it was kind of weird that they offered us a conditioner without a shampoo, but since it was a leave-in, I thought, you know what, I might drag that through my hair because the Drunk Elephant is my favorite moisturizer, the La La Retro. I cannot use a lot of their other face products, but since I know that I do like something they do, I thought this would be the perfect thing to try. Plus, how cool looking is that? That's going to look really fun sitting on my vanity. It has a $32 value, and it says this deep conditioning leave-in treatment doesn't mess around. Formulated with ingredients like silk amino acids, proteins, and nourishing plant-derived oils, it helps rebuild your weakened hair bonds and deeply moisturize for stronger, smoother style. And I can use anything that will deeply fix my hair bonds. Plus, it also helps protect against heat damage. I like that too. Let's see what it smells like because, you know, it's got to smell decent. Oh, it has a tiny little top, so you're going to be able to get out just a nice little amount. Oh, look how thick it is. We'll stop since I'm not going to use it on my freshly done hair. Does it have a scent? It became, you can see a little bit of the white on it, but it becomes really thin. It starts off so thick, but when you rub it, it doesn't melt. Melt's not the right word, but it feels thin. I think it's just got a little bit of sweetness to it. Very little scent. And I like how it's absorbing into my hand. Wow. I like that. I like that it's not going to weigh my hair down probably. I mean, if it's absorbing into my hands, it should absorb into my hair too. That's got to be good. All right, I second guessed that choice, and now I am super glad that I made it. Okay, and the last thing in my box, which is the boost that they assigned me, and you know, you can always go in, they have usually several, maybe 6 other choices. If you don't like the boost you're assigned, you can choose something else, but this is the Empowered by Huda Beauty, and I've said probably from the start of my channel, I will very, very rarely turn down an eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like when you take it out. That is super cool. Slightly spooky. Slightly spooky. Super cool. This looks, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty that is. Can you see the different textures? See this one here? That brown in it is like a deep river. It's like between 2 canyons. I don't know. That darkness you're seeing is down in there. That is so cool. I'm going to feel it. When I touch my hand to that one, can you hear it? I did it a few times. I'll check in editing to see if you can hear it. It's sticky. Like, oh, let's just rub it a little bit. Oh, it comes off kind of coppery. Hold on. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Can you guys see that? It goes, but when it goes on, it's very smooth. It's not at all left tacky on my hand. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And you know what I like about this is it has a lot of matte choices. Like on this first row, there's only one thing that's shimmery. On this row, these 3. So 3 are, 3 aren't. On this row, okay, so that's 3 are, 3 aren't. So these 2 rows are half and half, and then this one is almost all mattes. So it gives me so many more options. I feel kind of pinned in because the only place that I really use shimmers is in the corners of my eye. Sometimes colors, but mostly a lighter color. So I primarily work in mattes, and her mattes, oh my gosh. gosh. Let me just show you a few of her colors. They just feel creamy and gorgeous. Oh yeah. They're just beautiful. This is such an everyday palette, and yet if you wanted to, you could take your everyday palette and pop it with some gold. I mean, I put that right over that other one. Can you see it? That is gold. What else do we have? I'm gonna get this mixed one. See that one right there that's just on that top row? Let's see what it does. Oh, it becomes, can you guys see that? Oh, the metallic of it is gorgeous. Okay, very happy with that. I think to get the boost, you have to sign up. I think the wait is a couple of months. I'm not sure anymore if people are still waiting for the boost. Let me know below. If you've signed up recently and you wanted to get the boost, could you get it right away? As a rule, I think you wait a couple of months, but then it just adds $15 to your box. So it cost me $15 to add this palette, and it has a $69 value. I would walk into any store that I go into and pay $15 for this. You know, sometimes you get things and you're like, oh, I wouldn't have paid that. Yeah, I would pay $15 for that palette every day of the week, and I would buy it for gifts for everybody I know. That was my November icon box. I heart it. Started out a little slow with a couple of things that I won't use. The Avant toner, but I will pass it along. The Danessa Myricks, what do they call it? Dew Wet Balm is not for me. Perfect, but oh, can't see that. It's down in there, trust me. But I will pass it along. But we have the Aloe Body Moisturizer. I will definitely use that. The Silk Amino Leave-In Drunk Elephant Conditioner. I will definitely use that. Pat McGrath Lippy. That red is gorgeous. That will definitely get used. My Pat McGrath Quad. Also gorgeous. Laura Mercier Shadow Pencil. Definitely look forward to using that. And my Bauble Bar cute little earrings. So that's what would have been $60 to me, and I will get you a value on that in just a second. And then I do the boost, and the boost for me this time, and like I said, you can go in and change it if it doesn't suit you. They have several options, was the Huda Empowered eyeshadow. So that was my icon box. And again, that includes the boost. So that is $75 worth of icon box. Okay, I just slogged through the math of that situation. My box without my boost had a $351 value. So for $60, $58 plus the $2 shipping and handling, for $60, I had $351 in product. My boost was $69, and that added $15 to the cost of my box. So my total, including my boost, had $421 in total value for $75. I mean, you just can't beat it. You just can't beat that. And I will use everything but the two, the Avant, because I have super sensitive skin. So that's why I can't use that. And the Danessa Myricks, because I have used something exactly like that before and it wasn't perfect for my skin. So I will just pass those along. Still have well over $300 in value of things that I will love. So it is fantastic. I will put a link below. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I buy my own boxes, etc., etc. But I will put a link down below to take you over to them. If I see that anybody is having a sale where if you sign up you get something, I'll put a little note and a link to take you to where that is, because this will be going up between Thanksgiving and Christmas. And you know, there's always a chance of deals for something. So thank you so much for coming by and watching this with me. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Hope you're having a great holiday season. Bye guys.